I'm Hiroki Tanagawa. I'm 11. This story starts on a little island in the Pacific, where I live with my mother, who's an ornithologist, and my father, who's a marine engineer.
Hi, Bradley. Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
Isn't there a better picture of the ocean?
Machines will learn individual tastes, follow complicated subjects, and instantly search massive databases of content.
Hokusai was known as the artist of water. In an age before photography, he captured wave motion at 1/5000th of a second.
Wow!
His water pictures weren't only sea, you know. Look at this one.
That's a waterfall?
One of the world's most famous waterfalls. One of Japan's natural beauties.
But you know, I've never even seen a real waterfall. Oh, someone's calling.
Yo,
Yeah, hi, Dad.
how's the leg?
It doesn't hurt now. Dad, have you ever seen a real waterfall?
I think I did, with your grandpa, when I was about your age.
Where was it?
Yeah, where was that?
Hey, we need to go. The meeting starts in 2 minutes.
Okay. Sorry, Hiroki. I'll be home next week.
Okay.
See ya.
So is that your son you're just talking to?
Yeah.
Hi, Master. Welcome back.
Yeah.
So, back to work.
Information on the situation in South America. There's turbulence between the warm and the cold sea currents in the ocean off Uruguay.
Do you have data on this?
Simultaneous interpretation and voice analysis via the mobile network will remove language barriers. Virtual reconstruction will cross barriers of time and place. People from countries around the world will log on and share information and knowledge.
Look! The horse is wearing straw sandals.
Back then, their horseshoes were made of straw, not iron. They're called waraji. People wore them too.
So it's straw?
Yep. They take the old ones and burn them. Where can you see that? They use the ashes for fertilizer. Then, made new ones from what they grew.
It's complete recycling. It was amazing.
Taro, that's amazing.
Nice, huh? That's the latest model. It charges as you move your arm.
Wow.
From Ado, we can learn not to waste things.
Solar and kinetic energy, combined with conventional batteries, will provide low-energy consumption mobile terminals. These will become completely recyclable.
Phone call. I'll meet you at a Soxa in 10 minutes.
By Caminariumon Gate?
Okay.
Hiroki,
Grandpa!
it's been a while.
Grandpa, I sent you a picture.
Yeah, I have it. Is this Hokusai's Amida Falls?
You know it?
Yeah. I went there once with your dad.
So that's the waterfall he went to? You think it's still there?
Well, I can't see why not.
Grandpa, I want to go too.
Okay, when your leg gets better.
You mean it?
So get better. Soon. See ya.
Okay.
That's right, Hiroki. Right, left, right.
A rehabilitation robot with mobile connections to a hospital network will enable rehabilitation at home.
Hello, doctor.
Oh, your heart rate seems to be doing just fine. Oh, good, good. You should be able to play soccer real soon.
Really?
Should we increase the rehabilitation menu?
All the birds are coming back to the island. Maybe that's because the water's cleaner now.
Miniature chips and wild birds will allow monitoring of nesting areas through the mobile network for more detailed observation of the natural environment.
Could you analyze the correlation of the data I will send?
Okay. Ah! Hiroki, you're all done.
Great.
Here you are. You take care, okay?
I will.
Say hi to Grandpa.
See ya!
Personal identification through the mobile network will make check-in and immigration procedures instantaneous. Personal preferences sent in advance will allow for better in-flight service.
What about a gift for your grandpa? How about those dried fruits he likes? The store is that way.
Yeah!
With artificial intelligence and GPS capability, the concierge will provide guidance and monitoring so children can travel safely alone.
Children detected. Reducing speed.
Hi, Harold-san.
Hi, Jennifer.
Oh, are you going out?
Yep. To see a waterfall with my grandson.
Oh.
I'll show you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mr. Tanigawa?
Hiroki!
Grandpa!
Great!
Yay!
How are ya? Look. Who's that?
Is this my dad? He looks like me.
You look just like him.
Yeah, do I?
Looks like he got there okay.
Ah, that's great.
How's your leg?
No problem. You think Hokusai came this way too?
Possibly.
Come on, Grandpa! There it is! The waterfall!
Hey, watch your step.
This waterfall has been here ever since Hokusai was alive. No, even before that. And it will keep on falling. Forever.